హాసియా జీసీసీఎస్ అండ్ ఐటీడీఎస్ రౌండ్ టేబుల్ సమావేశంలో కేంద్ర మంత్రి కిషన్ రెడ్డి మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. అలా చూద్దాం.
For the world to building core technology for the world. Our exports of goods and services have crossed $800 billion. Be it smartphones, engineering goods, pharmaceuticals, ties and digital services. Electronics manufacturing expanded into the rupees 12 lakh crores, 13 lakh crores, 13 lakh crore industry, reducing 100% mobile import dependency. We are building deep tech breakthroughs entirely domestically. Indian startup has developed the world first fully 3D printed semi-cryogenic rocket engine. Our Hyderabad based startup launched private satellite in the orbit. Many other startups are building in India, Future India, artificial intelligence, health tech, space tech, agro-tech, defense tech. This was the futuristic vision that Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji had when he started promoting startups culture in India at a national level. Through Startup India, easy of doing business, revolutionary dynamic reforms, faster approvals, collateral free loans, a strong digital public infrastructure and a stable policy environment and a ecosystem has been created where innovation can thrive. India is the world third largest startup ecosystem after only the United States and China. We have more than 2 lakh DPITs, recognized startups, more than 125 unicorns, over 175 unicorns, and our startups have created over 23 lakh direct jobs. Alongside this, we have built a strong investment ecosystem, reforms in easy of doing business, simpler regulations, faster approvals, modern infrastructure, and stable, transparent policies have created confidence among the investors. Through historic FTAs with nations like UAE and Australia, we are ensuring that the wealth generated from global markets flows directly back into the accounts of Indian MSMEs, startups and workers. Friends, Hyderabad is at the heart of this journey, but I believe Hyderabad's next chapter is being written as we speak. Thanks to the Ashwini Vaishnav ji, Railway Ministry, the reforms has reached Hyderabad. Our city will soon be home to 3 out of 7 high-speed rail elevated corridors. The connectivity to Hyderabad to Bangalore, Hyderabad to Pune, Hyderabad to Chennai, and 3 cities from Hyderabad to free movement of talent will further enhance these cities with 5 lakh crores of these bullet trains connectivity expenditure. As a global technology cluster in the lines of the Bay Area and Silicon Valley in the United States. Even within Telangana, with the world standard development of 42 railway stations, introduction of 5 Vande Bharat trains,